Deep snow, huh? Almost 14 inches. Shadow, go get that. Go find Kong. Where's Kong? Go get Kong. All right, you want to go on the sled?
I'm going to turn the sled over.
Okay, now you go on it just like that. Ready? Woo! You ready? Push her. Can you give her a push?
Yeah. Alright, mommy's turn to push. Ready?
Oh, move down. Move into the seat
1,
thing.
2, 3. Careful. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Shadow. He's got like no face perception.